Graders, let's do some math. All right, so we did this first one yesterday where it says write a multiplication sentence for the numbered line. So remember I showed you yesterday what it's really showing is two different chunks, right? And each of them go by 6. So 2 times 6 is that one. Write the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and if you wanted to keep on going, 36, 40, 44, 48, right? You just keep on going forever. Multiples never stop. They just keep on going. You just add 4 each time. And a subtract problem with a little bit of regrouping. No worries. Cannot take 8 away from 4, so I go to the next door neighbor who's a 0, so I can't borrow from the 0. Time to go all the way to the 2. 2 becomes a 1. 0 becomes a 10. And now I can borrow from the 10 to make him a 9, and now this goes to a 14. All right, so 14, take away 8. 6. 9, take away 1. 8. And 1, take away 1, nothing. 86. Writing greater than or less than, let's see, 2,000, 2,000 tied. 400, 600, whoop, there we go. 2,686 is larger. Write the even numbers between 30 and 40. So all of the numbers between 30 and 40, and it says between, so I'm not going to count 30 and I'm not going to count 40. So there's 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Oops, I'm not going to use 40. So here are all the numbers in between. We just want the even numbers. So if they have to end in a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8. 31, no. 2, yes. 3, no. 4, yep. 5, no. 6, yes. 7, no. 8, yes. 9, no. So it's 32, 34, 36, 38. And some people might have put 30 and 40 on the list, but I'm thinking it as between, not including. Write 2014 as a standard numeral. 2000, this is where they try to trick you, no hundreds, and 14. 2014. Finally, Andrea started watching TV. Started watching television at 6:30. The program lasted an hour and a half. What time was the program over? So 6:30, you can do this a couple of ways. 6:30 plus 1 hour gets you to 7:30. All right? Plus another half hour, 7:30 goes to 8. Or you could say 6:30 plus a half hour makes you 7, plus the hour makes 8. And let me show you to the side here how adding time sometimes gets tricky, because you have 6:30 plus an hour and a half. If you start to do you just do one, it's hard to kind of stack up, right? So you have to know how big an hour and a half is, and an hour and a half is 90 minutes. So then you're left with 0, 9, 10, 11, 12, 7, 20, which is not the answer because this doesn't work in chunks of 10 down here. So elapsed time, you have to kind of do it in chunks here. 8 o'clock. What time is it over? 8 o'clock. All right, take a quick peek at tomorrow. Oh, this one's got some work done on it. This one doesn't. Looks like some addition, half of 24, so cut 24 in half. What plus what is 24? Looks like straight across, 10 minus 6 plus 3. How many days in 9 weeks? You need to know how many days are in 1 week. And let's go weekends included. I like this. Add my 2 numbers, you get 10. Multiply them, you get 24. What are the two numbers? Nice riddle. 9 times something equals 54. Matt took 3 dozen pencils out of a box which held 60. How many were left? You need to know how many a dozen are, right? So 3 dozen. Take 60 minus 3 dozen. How many were left? That's going to be a subtraction problem. Okay, see you tomorrow.